Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic 5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into your phone. Now before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So from there, locate your SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. You can see we have right over here. It sticks out a little bit, which shouldn't be like this, but in any case, you'll see that there is a little pinhole right here, part of this cutout of the tray. So you want to use your tool, put it in there, and then simply push it in, and the tray will pop out. Once you take it out, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side of the tray. You can occupy, if you're using only one SIM card, you can occupy whichever tray you want, either the bottom or the top, it doesn't matter. And obviously you can also occupy both of them at the same time if you have two SIM cards. From there, insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. So let's give it a second. It's looking, no service, and come on. Will it find service? I am located in a kind of a place where it might be difficult for the phone to find service, but we'll see in a second. I mean, obviously you can see that it is being detected right over here. It's just not finding reception at the moment. So there we go. Now anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.